everybody. Today we're going to talk about trading. And trading on such a well-known stock exchange like Yobit.net. I want to say right away that this bot is an advanced modification, one might say, that is latest version so well established bot like a simple bot in which a number of additional functions have been implemented. I just want to say right away that this bot is working under almost all Windows systems, from XP to 10th version. Also, this bot is working both on the 64-bit version and the 32-bit version of Windows. Go ahead and let's go over the functionality of this bot, then I'll tell you about the settings and about how to download and where to download this bot. I want to tell you right away that the bot is free, but if you want to buy, I have a slightly expanded version on my blog Simplabo.am. He trades one currency pair of your choice at Yobit.net. Let's start with this. All trading pairs are located here. That are traded on the stock exchange Yobit.net, you can choose here. The couples you've already selected. All the couples are here. That are on the Yobit stock exchange, in this case we have a pair selected. Further on here is shown highest price in 24 hours on this one, a cryptocurrency couple. It shows here itself low price on this cryptocurrency to a couple. Further a sell order for buying. Of open sell orders, the number of purchase orders. Here's where donate comes in. To the developer, that is, anyone can translate some coins. I'm gonna be very happy with this wallet. Your current balance is present in cryptocurrency pairs on of the Yobit exchange in your account. Here will be show all open orders for the sale, everything will show up from below. Open your purchase orders to allow you. We're gonna have to run this bot. Generate API keys on the Yobit.net exchange in your account. Right here, you'll need to form the very first key that gives access to a deposit. Second key doesn't need to be formed because there's a function like withdrawal, you don't need it. Which means that the first key you need to type in on this line, the second key to you fit in on this line. Let's run the bot. The bot starts, that's the start, that's the shutdown. Right there, stop. Launch. Now he'll form my entire balance on all the cryptocurrency pairs that are on the stock exchange. Yobit's in my account and I'm repeating it again. One time, we've got a pair set up now. Bitcoin to dollar, but let's change it. Let's take it. Dogecoin to the ruble. Here you go, it's got a balance. And there's a balance here. I mean, what do we have? Gets. Bot trading happens as follows. This column shows us how many interest on your deposit will be to be used for one order. Now, costs 8%, which means from 1,000 it turns out to be 80 rubles. To be used on one warrant. I suggest you bet 8%, I suggest you bet 4%. Switches it this way, with a double click. Left mouse button, then here. exhibited with what step put up for sale and with what step by step the orders will be placed on the purchase. That is, naturally, the first to be issued a buy order, and you have to watch here. Let's get on the stock exchange. We'll move to Dogecoin. That is. Now we're gonna have to put up a bot. 0.108, and here we have 0.116, which means in principle it will be possible to put a price on here. I guess the first warrant will be exposed. You can see the price went down right away, 109 became, which means we can have throw up warrant 08 for a big profit, because if you'll be placing orders with a big step, there will naturally be fewer orders, the profit will be less. It's better to exhibit smaller steps, there will be more orders and thus more profit. I think the first purchase order we will be able to set this to 08 interest on the deposit, because the balance of small, the warrant isn't to stand up. I'm just making an overview video, so to speak. Oh, no, here's the warrant. To buy, that is, you can to update the exchange, let's see. Here. Please show up to buy, even him. It worked. Now we need to put up a sales order, I think. You're gonna have to put a 0.48 like this. Percentages in steps, now we're it. Let's do it, that is, we have buying. There's a warrant for sale, a purchase order went off, we bought. Showed up again, we're buying again. Selling. That's how the bot works. I mean, watching, that the warrants have gone. We've got a record here, stock market movements eat, so the bot works and will. To make us a profit. This is one of strategies, now showing you for a trade. What I want to tell you next is that in this bot has another one of these. An interesting function, as for example on cryptocurrency pairs on which the movement isn't very big, we can buy you. Let's say you put a warrant on either buy or sell and we don't have works and there's no way we can buy a warrant. Then there's the function that an order can be cancelled through 15 minutes, he'll be off naturally by now. With this step will be exhibited another order at that price, which is, like. The bot is tracking this whole thing and we have immediately apparent that depending on the price movement, the content of this bot changes and, of course, we make a profit. I just want to say right away what's best. Deposit on those cryptocurrencies that are traded with ruble no less than 450. There has to be a deposit because it says there's no point in chasing a penny. That's what I'm making 33 kopecks in here right now. Traded in the cryptocurrencies that are traded paired with Bitcoin, better. to have our wallet on the stock exchange at least 250,000 Satoshi, because I want to say that opening a deal on the stock exchange Yobit at least 10,000 Satoshis. Here's a short story to you about this bot. It works, pretty much. Still easy to use. I don't think you're having any trouble with bot. You see, even on a minimum deposit, but until the truth makes a profit, so let's say because the deposit is small. After you opened up a warrant, we'll definitely need this. Revert to the position that we have in this case on 0.45%, which means it's going to drop by 0.45 and sell it at 0.45. Because I'm a little bit wrong. He traded with me on 0.8, that is. It turned out that he was buying with a slump of 0.8, and he was selling everything with a markup of only 0.48, which means that you need this first order opened and right away to move it over here, but it's just to review the video. I also want to say that in this bot can also be used to place orders yourself and cancel orders. Here at this price you will allow for a delay in placing the order, in which case you need these sliders. Move it here, which means you'll be to trade with, let's say, hands, and here the bot sells itself. Opens and trades orders. The process is on. Here's the principle. A bot like that, a pretty simple one. And a working bot who likes you. To download it, to try to trade it. This is me saying goodbye to you, wishing you how always good luck to everyone, have a good time, of course. Watch videos my channel. Watch mine blog Simple Duam, there's a lot of interesting stuff about the bot and the cryptocurrencies. Goodbye and see you again.